Hey everyone, it's MichelleCutiePie. Today I will be doing this Valentine's Day look. I will be using this Hanging in Hawaii eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. This is my first time using this eyeshadow palette. I saved it just for this video and I love all the colors. They are colors that I would like to wear every single day. So I'm so excited that I got this. If you'd like to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. For eyeshadow primer, I'm using the Photofocus from WetnWild. I'm using a crease brush from WetnWild. It looks really fluffy right now because I've been using it so much. I'm gonna start with a base color, so I'm gonna use Shaka. And just pat that all over my lid. That really matches my skin tone. I love it. I'm gonna take this round packing brush from Hat Top Brushes. I will put a link down below. I got these on Amazon for I believe $3 and shipping was about $2. I'm gonna add my brow highlight. I'm gonna use Hoola. Now I'm taking a Morphe M573 brush. I've been eyeing this color. It's called Aloha. It's so pretty. It's like a pinky brown. I'm gonna use this for my transition color.
I like building up my eyeshadow. I don't like putting too much.
Now I'm just gonna blend this. Now I want to mix in a little bit of Paradise. I'm taking a Glamobrow brush, a crease brush. I want this to look a little bit more pinky. There we go. I'm gonna take Mahalo. I'm gonna use this to deepen up my crease. Taking little by little to build the depth up. I'm just deepening up the outer corner and crease but halfway, and then just blending it because I want like a cat eye effect.
And again, just taking little by little. I want it to look like a pinky brown smoky eye.
And to deepen that up even more, I'm gonna take Honolulu.
I'm just noting the shadows have kind of a fallout, but that's fine, just work lightly. It kind of reminds me of the Modern Renaissance palette. That's how the fallout is. I don't own that palette, but I've used it for my cousins and my friends. But yeah, it does have fallout just like that palette.
I'm using Honolulu to deepen up the crease even more and the outer corner and just blending that in. And again, bringing that out into a cat eye, but you don't have to do that. That's just how I personally like my eyeshadow.
I've been loving like a Neapolitan look, like ice cream. I've been loving ice cream a lot too.
Going back with the Wet n Wild brush, I'm gonna dip into Paradise. and just wipe that to give it a pinkier blush look.
Right in the crevice right here. This is called an inner third. I have no idea. Ooh, I love that. And then just blend it.
Taking the flat packing brush again from Hat Top Brushes, I'm going to do a soft cut crease. I'm not going to use any concealer for this.
Look at all these shimmers right here. They're so pretty. I think I want to do this one. I think I want to do Sandy and Pineapple. So let's try that.
I'm going to start with Sandy. Let's just see how this is without a mist. Yes. Yeah, let me try Sandy first.
Ooh, this is pretty. This is so pretty. Soft cut crease, here we go. Oh, I love this. And the other side, I'm just using Sandy. It's this one. I'm so excited for Valentine's Day. It's like my favorite holiday. And Christmas. I love Christmas. I loved celebrating Valentine's Day at school. Bringing candy and making heart stuff.
And now I'm going to use my finger and take Pineapple and just add that right in the middle or on top of that. This is Pineapple. It's like a pinky shimmer. So pretty.
Put that right on top of Sandy. I'm not covering it, it's just filling in the spaces. So I'm going to take Luau with my finger and just pat that on the side so it can blend into the brown. I love that. That looks really cute. Just blend it. And just pack it right on there. Ooh, I really love this look.
I didn't want anything too dark. I'm going to be doing the rest of my makeup, excluding my lips, because I will be opening up my mystery box Valentine's edition by Jeffree Star. So you will see that in the next video, which I will upload on the same day. I will be right back. I will link everything that I used on my face down below in the description box. I wanted to include blush and highlight for this tutorial. I'm going to use Zac from Blush Crush, using my Lisa Frank blush brush by Glamobrow. I love this blush because it makes you look like you're naturally blushing. And then I'm gonna top that off with Paaarty by Tarte.
I like mixing these two blushes together. They're so pretty.
I'm gonna add a little bit more bronzer. I'm using Golden Gal by BH Cosmetics. And this is the Morphe E4 brush. Now back to the eyeshadow. I'm using a Morphe M213 brush. This is perfect for the lower lash line. I'm going to take Mahalo
and add that right here on the corner towards the middle, but only like 1/3 of the way. Just buff that oh so lightly. I'm going to use a color switch, shadow switch.
And now to make the eyes pop a little bit more, I'm going to take pineapple and add this right in the beginning of my lower lash line. I think adding a light shimmer in the beginning right here makes your eyes look more open and awake. And I'm also going to use pineapple for my inner corner. I'm going to take my Fair brush and just clean this up. And make it a little bit more subtle.
Yeah, going over it with your concealer brush definitely tones it down a little bit.
Yay, now we're done with eyeshadow. I'm gonna add some eyeliner. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. felt tip liner. Now I'm gonna add my Maybelline Brow Drama in deep brown for my eyebrows to darken it up.
I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to add Glossier mascara on top. I'm not going to wear any eyelashes, but you can totally put eyelashes if you want. I love this mascara. My friend Marielle gave this to me, and oh my gosh, it makes your lashes look so natural and wispy. And I have really baby lashes. It makes it look so pretty. Do you see that? I think with me, I have really thin eyelashes and eyebrows, and then my hair is like super thick. But I really, really love this mascara. Like, I should be using it all the time.
And the last thing, I believe, is just highlight. I've been loving using my Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette that I got from my BoxyCharm for my highlight. I'm going to take my Morphe R36 brush. Let's do like a pinky highlight, so I'm going to do this one. This is the color Heat Wave.
If you want it to look a little bit more toned down, I would take my highlight with my powder brush and just go over it.
After that, I'm going to put the Volition Oil Control Mattifying Mist. I want to add these earrings that I got from the dollar store. And I'm wearing my necklace that my boyfriend gave me. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys on my Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing video. Bye!